Good morning, first grade friends. So today we're going to read a story called The Mixed Up Alphabet. And the author of The Mixed Up Alphabet is Steve Metzler, and it's illustrated by Janny Ho. Now, we're reading The Mixed Up Alphabet today because this week we're going to be really focusing on how we order the letters in the alphabet because we want to be able to know where letters fall in the alphabet without having to sing the ABC. So we're going to be practicing saying the alphabet without trying to sing the song because it's really important that if we see the letter D, we know that C comes before D and E comes after D. So we're going to read the mixed up alphabet. Once upon the alphabet, from A right down to Z, the letters played together, a happy family. And so you can see all the letters are in the right order. We have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. They never had to worry or ask what they should do. When A said time to get in line, they knew who followed who. It's not fair. I'm always last, the Z said to the O. What makes the A so special? What makes the A so special? That's what I want to know. The O just shook his head and sighed. It's always been that way. It'll be that way tomorrow, just like it was yesterday. Let's mix things up, said Z to A, as they stood eye to eye. Switching places should be fun. And so they changed. The Z moved up. Now he was first in line. The A hopped over next to Y. She said, this spot is fine. The other letters saw the switch. They shouted, let's change too. We've been like this forever. It's time for something new. LMNOP split up. The P said, this is better. Now, when children say the alphabet, we won't sound like one letter. And they're saying that because a lot of times when we sing the alphabet, we say LMNOP and it all comes together so that you can't hear each individual letter. The Q skipped up to U and said, you should be next in line. The N did tricks on V and X, and the E told jokes to B. The S said, get me out of here, away from R and T. They're such good friends. They love to hug. They're always squeezing me. The B and D moved side by side. X marked another spot. Now we're okay, said O and K. The I said, I am not. And you can see that O and K are saying they're okay because we say the okay, the word okay, it sounds like the two letters together. The G joined J to dance and swing. It was quite a scene. The S said, H is so much fun, he's like a trampoline. Brave C climbed to the top of L, and P shouted out, don't fall. The Y was shy and wondered why she even had to move at all. At last the letters settled down as comfy as could be. What a mixed up alphabet led by Zigzag Z. So let's see what the alphabet looks like all mixed up. We have, let's see if you can say them with me. Z, N, D, B, E, F, H, I, G, J, O, K, V, M, X, R, T, Q, U, S, W, P, L, C, Y, and then A all the way at the end. All right, but the next morning, the K woke up and looked around, then said, "There's something wrong. When children come to school today, they'll want to sing our song. It's ABC, not ZND. They love to sing about. Some will be sad and some will be mad. Some will yell and shout." But Z said, "Kids might like the switch. It's cool, it's something new. The ABC song's really old. I'm sorry, but it's true." In a soft and quiet voice, the Y spoke up. "You just want to be in front. That's why you want to stay." The letters froze in silence. It was quite a sight. Finally, the R spoke up and said, "Hey, Y is right." "There's the bus," the D cried out. "The kids are coming near. There's only one thing to do. Let's switch before they're here." The B leaped over D and N. The C ran right past A. V and T tripped on the Q, and then the L bumped into K. The letters were all back in place. It didn't take them long. And when the class was ready, they sang their favorite song. So you can see the letters are back in order at the top. And you can see that they're in, let's say them together in order now. Now we're not going to sing it. We're going to try to just say it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, C. Says, "Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?" All right, my friends. So that was the Mixed Up Alphabet by Stephen Metzler. And what you guys are going to do is you guys are going to now connect to an activity on Seesaw, and you're going to have all the letters are going to be mixed up, and you're going to put them in alphabetical order. So you're going to put them in ABC order, and then I want you to practice afterwards recording your voice. You're going to record it on there and tell me the letters in order. But remember, we're going to try to say them